Where are you going?
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Ayun, may terminal pala ng...
Go to grocery. You go to grocery. Go to the beach. Maluwag dito, oh. Daming mga ano.
May mayroon.
Meron isang. Ba, hindi pwede sa ipon ko.
Kung ba pag nasa ano na?
Ubus mo na milk mo, dali. Look here, oh. Anong oras na ba? Magwa 1 pa lang.
Ito yung harap. Yan ang harap. Dito pa yung harap.
Ayan. Ayan ang likod. No more car. No more car, no?
Teka lang, ilalagay ko isa para diyan.
No, don't get
Dilan. Sino? Hi ka.
Hi, Dylan!
Dilan, oh, hi.
Say hi! Hi! Hello! Video ba yan?
Oo. Kasi Dilan.
Dylan, oh?
sa Boracay.
Dilan, say hi, oh.
Hey, mama!
Hi.
Hi, say hi!
Airplane. No SM?
Oy, oy, malaglag ka! Malaglag ka, sitaw yan dyan, sitaw!
Hi.
Sit down, sit down.
Diyan yung card ko?
Is that due to limited space inside the aircraft, to accommodate carry-on bags, we are still missing.
Dilan.
Ano ka?
Dilan.
Sa'yo eh.
Hi.
Yes. Right.
Ay, no, airplane. Look, oh. Dilan, go to? Go to the?
Wait lang. High five! High five! Sticker?
We found just below the overhead bin. If you need assistance, our crew is here to help. Thank you for your cooperation. Upang mapabilis ang
Pineapple? Where's the pineapple?
sasakyan sa aeroplano at maiwasan ang pagkakit sa pasilyo, hinihiling
You like pineapple?
Hello everyone and welcome to Pacific Flights where we make moments happen with 911
I like
patungong Katiklan.
watermelon.
Yung tamang pad, maaari po lamang na
Yes.
pagtig ng inyong cabin.
Oh, find the watermelon.
Watermelon. Where's the watermelon?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Kiwi. Where's the kiwi? Where's the kiwi? No. Here. Find the kiwi. Here, the kiwi. Over there. Yes, very good. Next, what do you like? Potato? I
I
like.
like
Oh, choose. I like shrimp. Oh, galing talaga ng shrimp. Oh, shrimp.
Ay, Lolo daw. Where's
Lolo?
Lolo?
I know. Get the zebra. Next. What? Like? I like. Oh, next. What do you like? What?
Sir, na-serve nyo namin lahat, sir.
Elephant? Why? Elephant?
On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck, it is unlawful for any person
Ma! Hello. Hello.
Tayo na lang isa nyo.
Hi!
Kasi yung bag niya.
Ano ba tingin dyan? Ilan, where are we going? Go to?
Dylan. Dylan, look, oh. Say hi daw, say hi. Here. Dylan. Dylan.
Look, mama.
Look, oh. Say hi. Bye-bye. Ay.
Dylan, look.
Kasi Papa. Pao. Hi. Dylan, look. Look.
Look, mama.
Dito na kami sa Boracay.
Day 1.
Naglalakad kami.
Mag-dinner na kayo, ma'am. Dito, ma'am.
Ma. Be.
Look, mama. Oh.